Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of TTS Today. Today is going to be a simple one. Frequently asked question is how to delete a customer, vendor, product, and even more importantly, how to restore a customer, vendor, or product that has been deleted. So we have that built into the system, very simple to do. I'm going to walk you through it. So let's get deleting. Okay, so from the customer manage screen, I selected a customer. So I'm in the customer details section. And in the middle of the page, you'll notice there are a couple of options with checkboxes. So what we call deleted is suspended. As simple as that. Click suspend. Very important. If you do go back before you update the customer, it won't be deleted. So update customer. It will tell you it has been successful. It keeps you in here in case you want to change your mind. And then let's go back. And now we will not see that particular customer. It was a test customer. It's not in here. A little different than that one. So how do we get them back? At the bottom of this list, you'll notice show suspended. If I click show suspended, click the update button, and it'll show all the customers that have been deleted. So the one that I did was cust test. I can go back into that customer and I can undelete them. The main reason why we do this, allow you to undelete a customer, is if you have any history data on that customer and you need to show up in reports again, you would do the uncheck the suspended button and update the customer. By the way, I didn't mention, but by deleting or suspending a customer, vendor, or product, they will not show up in any drop-down list. And you're running a report, for instance, and this customer will not show up. If you're running a report for a product, that product will not show up. It won't even show up in the drop-down list. So let's delete cust test again. Let's go back. And here we have a list. If I start typing cust test, you'll notice it's not there. And that is going to be the case for any reports as well. So to bring it back, show suspended, update, and there's my cust test. You edit it, unsuspend, and update. So moving on to vendor. Similar. So let's say I want to delete this pop. In this case, there isn't a checkbox. We've used a slider. So we click on the slider to say yes. Once again, we need to update the vendor. And it will notify you that it's been successful. We go back. And if I start typing in PLP, we're not going to see anything. But you notice down at the bottom, we have a show suspended, just like in customers. Click update. And these are all the ones we had suspended. Go back in. Click the slider, update vendor, and now it'll show up back in the list. And last, product works the same exact way. Manage. Since products don't automatically display, we're going to search. So I'll go into Kodiak, do a quick search, and here's a TBD. So I'll choose this number 2000. And again, the options here suspended, update product, and go back. So if I choose Kodiak and I hit search, it's going to show all the other parts. But if I type in 2000, we should not see it there. We have 2400, 4300. Must be a 2000 here. The product description has 2000 in it, but I'm not seeing that one. So I have to go back out. And now in this case, we have to scroll all the way down the page and you have show suspended. So it works a little differently in products. because of the way it populates the screen. So now I'm going to search with Kodiak again, and it will only show me the deleted items. And I can unsuspend it, as simple as that. So unlike the older system that most people have used, where once you deleted something, there was a lot of warnings. Are you sure? The reason being is you can never get that information back. So if you have orders for this customer, if you have orders for a vendor, and you need to run reports for a couple of years back, you can always unsuspend that vendor or customer product and run reports on it. So we keep all that history data. So we're just really hiding it from the screen. So no user or anybody entering data can use that information. So it's always there for you. And that's Suspend. So thank you for watching. Again, if you have any questions, you can ask TTS today at tradetechsolutions.com and we'll answer on the screen. On video, I should say. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.